Hello, welcome back to BestSub TV. This is Mora again. Every month, we BestSub will launch some new sublimation items. Last time, we introduced our 12-ounce enamel mark with color rim and handle, getting very good feedback from our customers. So, according to our customers' requirement, this time we have new 12-ounce enamel marks for you. They are matte finish and with black color rim. Here we have 4 colors: light blue, green, and pink, yellow. If you want to customize the colors, we can also provide the solutions for you. Now let's take a closer look at the enamel marks. Matte finish, very beautiful, and with black color rim. Okay, now let's see how to print them. We will use our J-Chain's Easy Mark Press to print them. Setting the printing parameter to 180 Celsius degrees and 10 seconds. Adjust the pressure and put a disused enamel mark into the mark press and preheat. When the temperature is up to 180 Celsius degrees, put the enamel mark into the mark press. Please kindly note that the rim should be let off and not be pressed. And then press the green button. After printing, it's very hot, so please remember to wear your gloves. Let's try the result. Wow, amazing! I like it. These new enamel marks are a perfect combination of beautiful colors and charming design. They are light and durable and can make a great way to survive your favorite drinks at home, office, or when traveling, camping. If you want to know more about our new items, please don't forget to contact us directly. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.